My job is to make sure that the entire process, by which I mean planning, installing and starting up a machine or a line, runs as smoothly as possible. Depending on the complexity of the project, I support our sales engineer interacting directly with customers early in the development stage. For us, as project managers, I believe it is important to build a collaborative and proactive relationship with the customers right from the start. After all, we are not just taking care of planning and technical coordination matter. We will also be your point of contact at all stages in development. In fact, our real job is to simplify yours. Establishing an open dialogue based on trust. I believe this is critical to the success of any project. And it's definitely the key in situations where several technical professionals need to work together or when addressing very complex issues. Ensuring that information flows smoothly and efficiently between all parties involved is indeed crucial to the development of any project. As a project manager, I need to be on top of things at all times and convey a clear vision to the customer throughout the process, from the initial design phase all the way up to the commissioning. Whatever the questions or issue that may come up, I make sure we have the right answer or solution by coordinating and mobilizing the most strategic skills and resources to achieve the project's objectives.
In my role as a system integrator, I'm responsible for designing complete lines and integrating systems within the packaging area. In some cases, I become involved early in the project. I may assist the sales engineers in designing the initial layouts to help them understand the feasibility of a project and assess the steps that have to be taken. Then, I'm directly involved in the development stage, working with the customer to create bespoke technical solutions based on specific requirements and production environments. In other situations, I offer purely technical support. When pre-existing plans are particularly complex or critical integration issues need to be resolved, I'm the go-to guy for all things technical, for both Galdi specialists and external technicians. My job is undoubtedly stimulating, because every project has its own specific requirements. The challenge is not just finding a solution, but the ideal solution for a given customer, considering several different aspects. Of course, Galdi's know-how and experience come in very handy, just like our Themapack support for end-of-line solutions. Past experience and interaction with industry experts bring considerable added value to guarantee that solutions are really tailored to specific projects and customers. Sure, experience alone is not enough. Research is just as important. As an integration expert, I need to have a comprehensive and up-to-date view of the solution available on the market. Only then can I recommend the most efficient cutting-edge systems, for today with an eye to the future.
I have worked as a field technician for many years, so I know how important it is to be able to rely on constant organizational and operational support. To deliver a project on time and budget, the execution phases have to be managed like a perfect machine too. Nothing can be left to chance. You have to be agile and flexible, both in planning and also when coordinating the work of technicians. And, above all, you need to be present, especially during the more complex projects. During the most critical stages, I'm on site. My job is to coordinate operation and work teams, anticipating and resolving any issues that may come up. Our goal at Galdi is to be a single point of contact for our customers and their projects. As your trusted business partner, we listen your needs, recommend solutions, and implement them with the utmost commitment.